Welcome back to another episode of Enjoying the Journey. Through tonight's heavy fog, a treasured tradition unfolds on the shores of Scheveningen, here in The Hague. As volunteers emerge from the mist for their ceremonial parade, you can feel generations of history in the salt air. These dedicated community members are preparing to construct what could become the Netherlands' highest New Year's bonfire. What began in the 40s as neighborhood Christmas tree burning has evolved into a meticulously organized event that unites Scheveningen. Over the next few days, these volunteers, from seasoned builders to their youngest apprentice, will work tirelessly to stack thousands of pallets on this beach, undaunted by whatever weather comes their way. As they receive their credentials tonight and join their teams through the swirling fog, you're witnessing more than preparation for a bonfire. You're seeing the continuation of a cultural legacy that will illuminate these shores on New Year's Eve, transforming this beach into the heart of Scheveningen's celebration. Join us back here on New Year's Eve to witness this remarkable tradition in all its blazing glory. But stay to the end of this video. In a few seconds, you're going to see some really nice fireworks. Enjoy!